And when even the elements of nature reacted so violently, that confirmed my thought that Jesus must be the Son of God. Now, there is no doubt. I know that Jesus is the Messiah. Oh, praise God. Andronicus, perhaps now you can understand at least partly why I did what I did. You see, the Zealots believe that we must be willing to die for our faith. But I know that we must be willing to lay down our lives for our faith in doing whatever God has for us to do. Junior goes to the synagogue. She hopes that she will be able to see her parents and her brother Jonathan. She is so excited when she sees the recognition in her mother's and brother's eyes. Jonathan starts toward her, and Junia reaches out to love him, and then her father's face looms before her. Come, Jonathan, I have told you not to speak to strangers. Well, the fishermen, the disciples, are becoming very restless. They start wondering, is Jesus really coming back? Has he left this time and we will never see him again? Finally, Peter can stand it no longer. I got to go fishing. The disciples start out like a bunch of young boys on a holiday with their fishing gear. At least fishing is something they understand. When they get to the shores of the Sea of Galilee, they are greeted warmly by the other fishermen, especially by Abba. He thinks, now that Jesus is dead, we can get things back to normal. And he hopes that he may even be able to persuade them to join the Zealots and help overthrow that Roman government.